I think it's just such a gorgeous car. You have the red race line here. Like, look at this. Come on, bro. First of all, I gotta go get a little workout in, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I didn't get to. I skipped yesterday. So we're gonna go to Planet, and I love this car. It's just really nice. Like, I think this is the perfect spec. This is definitely the spec that I would get personally. So clearly the shifter is a little weird. Oh, and you just pop it right. It's pretty simple, but it's a little weird. Texas drivers are worse than Florida drivers, I'll tell you that. Turning radius sucks on this car. It's a race car kind of, so what do you expect? Really intuitive backup camera system, 360 without the not really a 360 camera, but such a sweet car. Such a sweet ride. Let's see, I think I have to pop a right. Look at the red popping interior. Oh, it's so beautiful. We are here in Sugar Land, Texas. If anyone lives here and is watching this video, comment and let me know, so that next time I'm here I can meet you. I want to meet everyone. I've actually ran into a couple people who have wanted to subscribe to my channel, so if you're one of those people, you know, comment and say what's up, man. So cool. I love meeting people. Cool people, of course. But like, look at the city. Our hotel's right there. So it's a really nice town. Really nice. I feel a little naked because I don't have my radar detector that I have, and me personally, I have bad luck when it comes to those things. But knock on, there's no wood and there's no carbon fiber or anything. Gas mileage is actually pretty nice on this car, surprisingly. Pretty nice. Now, I don't know the area very well, and I also don't know the traffic situation here, but I guess we're about to find out. I go straight? Yeah, I go straight. Okay. Very bumpy roads. I'm not sure if it's the roads or if it's the suspension of the car, because it's built for like race track use, but you can feel everything. You can feel everything. And all around, the BMW M3 competition, especially being in 2025 with only 5,000 miles on it, is literally such a appealing vehicle. It's so nice. It's the perfect size. I don't think the M4 is as practical as the M3, considering this is a 4-door and the M4 is a 2-door. Although I love the coupe. I love the coupe is crazy. I love the coupe style on the M4. I love it. But if you want something a bit more practical, a bit more sedan, this is a sports sedan, this is the way to go. This is definitely the way to go in the sedan world. I am loving it. I love it. I'm a BMW fan. And I've mentioned this before in my past videos that I've wanted an M4 competition, but considering how nice this car is, and considering we're expecting, and we're gonna have a mini me soon, I feel like it's necessary for me to have something a little bit more practical where I can put a car seat in the back comfortably. You know what I mean? Now, Houston drivers are scaring me, but we'll be fine. Like, look at, like, oh my, they are really booking it. It is a Friday and I have the day off, so maybe everyone has to bustle and hustle to work. So I'm hoping that I don't run into a lot of this traffic. Oh, damn. No way, bro. No way. Oh my goodness, this is insane. Oh my, wake me up in the morning, babe. BMW stands for babe, make waffles. Or no, babe something. This is a very nice car. Oh man, this is such a cute car. I love it. I really like it. It's so nice to handle. It handles like a, oh my god, it's on the road like white on rice. I don't know why there's always condensation on this window in particular. Oh, that's the back window. I just, wow. It's actually so impressive how this car handles. I mean, it is a very expensive vehicle. If you look up a brand new 2025 BMW M3 competition and tell me how much it is near you, I probably would have to buy this in Texas, because in Florida is probably way more, just due to the nature of the state. I would assume, of course, I would assume. But yeah, I have so much content coming with this car. So much content, it's not even funny. So if you're new to the channel, I don't know why you're not subscribed yet if you aren't. And make sure you like the video so YouTube recommends more, in case you're too lazy to subscribe. And I would always love to read your comments and thoughts on the M3 competition and really how this car is. It's very early in the morning and I need to get a workout in. Yes, I'm in my pajamas because I have a little bit of jet lag, and it's just one of those days where I'm just gonna I have to grab some stuff for my pregnant wife and all that. I don't know why there's condensation over there. It just keeps coming back. And so I figured I would just get a quick workout in for the day. And then we will go to the hotel, get ready for some breakfast with my uncle. And I'm supposed to go straight. Oh, I mean, the compartments though, like, come on, BMW. The compartments are a little like, eh. Like, you could give me more here, but it's alright. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. No biggie, no biggie, no biggie. The whole car makes up for it. State Farm. I work with insurance companies all day. It's so low to the ground, I'm so scared of scraping it. Speed bumps are my enemy in a car like this, so you just simply avoid it. Wait, I'm wearing flip-flops. Let's see if I can get away with this. Oh man, should have brought my handicap sticker, even though, you know, I'm really not. But kind of, my knee hurts. My knee's messed up. But all right, we'll just park this sucker right here. All right, I'm so used to the lyric. All right guys, I'm gonna go get a workout in. I just wanted to show you guys real quick the outside and everything of this beautiful vehicle. Why is there a police officer in a regular car? M3 competition with the brand new headlights. They go straight down, which is so sexy. So sexy. The spider rims, the color, everything on this car is perfection. Look at the exhaust tips. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to buy this car, bro. I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm gonna buy this car. I'm gonna buy this BMW M3 competition. I need it. I want it. I need it. This is it. This is it. All right guys, I'm gonna go get that workout in, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Right, we just got a little pump in. That startup is so nice. Marriott. Here's the Marriott. Okay, now let's go. Actually, no, I gotta go to a Walgreens. Dang it. Alright. So, they took away a lot of the controls on the physical dash and they put it digital. I'm not really a fan of that, but, you know, why is it not actually coming out? don't want that. Where's the flow? Where's the flow of it? Okay. Where's the flow? The vents were closed. The vents were closed. Who does that? The vents were closed. I'm dumb. All right, we're going. We're leaving. We're leaving. I'm done. All right, we're out. Let's go to Walgreens. I'm done. So where is CVS again? Oh, are you kidding me? What is going on today? It's right in front of me, bro. Why is it like actually, why is there such bad condensation on the right window? Not this window, but the right one. All right, well, that was a long trip to CVS. All right, guys, we're just gonna pick up the clip right after I get some stuff.
Where do you want to go?
Marriott Sugarland. Hey, is this the one?
Where do you want to go?
Marriott Sugarland.
Getting directions to Houston Marriott Sugarland.
Sugarland. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Oh man, this is something. A lot of hills and bumps and stuff. This is cute. I like this neighborhood. It's pretty cute. If we go left, I think so. Everything is tan here. Sugar Creek. Do you have auto hold on this? Set up auto hold. There is auto hold. But like, how do I engage it? I don't think it's engaged. It's not. Is it manual? A manual telescoping steering wheel is kind of crazy in such an expensive car. Oh, I have an exhaust on. M mode. What's M mode? I've been driving in non-M mode. Interesting. I like how it puts the navigation in your maps. It's really cool. I like it a lot. No, I really like this car. This will be my next car, 100%. And my wife will let me get it because it's practical. I can put a car seat in the back, you know? Oh my god, it's not even an M mode, bro. These roads are terrible for this. I feel like I'm gonna hit a pothole really bad. Oh, wow. Who designed these roads? No, I gotta take this car to Florida, honestly. I gotta take it to Florida. M mode. M sport. I mean, I might as well put it in sport mode because road is very uncomfortable. I don't understand. It pulls. It pulls. It pulls hard. It really does pull hard. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, we need to get a radar before I do all this. 100,000%. I'm really not sure why the roads are built like this. This cannot be healthy for the cars. Let's do a 40 roll. Second gear. What the F? What the hell, bro? There's no way. There's just no way this car is that quick. It's like a... I gotta look at the specs of this car. Honestly, I'm sorry. I really don't remember. Like, I didn't do research on this car. Sorry, but like, I think Google exists, and if you want all that stuff, you can Google 2025 BMW M3 COMP specs, and then you can find out. And if you don't care enough to Google it, then I don't care enough to tell you. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But I mean, I know it has over 500 horsepower. I think it has about 500 horsepower. But yeah, I'm just very impressed with this car all around. Super impressed. Super duper is crazy. Super impressed with this car, for real. It's very nice. Everything about this car is very appealing. I don't think it's the suspension. I think it's because of the roads, how they're built. It's so bad, bro. It's really not good here. So this is the exact spec that I would get in an M3 competition. Black exterior, red interior, spider rims. I call them the spider rims. I know there's an actual term for those rims, so don't get on me if you are, but I don't know. I know these are paddle shifters. What's M1, M2? I gotta experiment with this car. I'm just really trying to get to know the roads, and I'm really trying to avoid a ticket or anything like that. And so otherwise, the AC mishap that I had, I mean, with the infotainment, it was just because it was off. Like, my AC was off. But yeah, this is a really nice car, and I love the night light, like the ambient lighting at night. It's such a nice touch to it. Why is there money in there? Oh, come on. Terminal's kind of cheap sounding. It's a green, my friend. It's a green. Valet was charging $45 a night. Have you ever heard valet charge $45 a night? Well, you probably have, but I mean, for Marriott though, it's a little, just for bro to park the car. It's crazy. That guy looks familiar. I feel like there's a lot of Latino YouTubers here. Latino gang. Ya tú sabes. ¿Qué pasó, hermano? I like this area though. Very touchy brakes. Very touchy. It's very responsive. Very responsive car. Cool restaurants, man. Dang. Park Mobile. Might as well pay Park Mobile than to pay the hotel, right? You know what I mean? Because the hotel is charging way too much. Cool. Free parking. We don't have to pay for this. People are checking out the car like crazy. I didn't think an M3 Comp would get this much attention. Well, that wraps up this driving POV. And that lady, that security guard, just stared me down and saw the camera. I didn't know it was that visible. And I will pick up, and I'm not gonna pick up the vlog. I'm gonna end this POV for just the sake of this video today, and I'll shoot more content as I do. I want to get to know the car more so I don't look like an idiot in front of you guys. But all right, I'll see you guys in the next one.